ang Panginoon, He does not treat us like disposable trash. No? Parang basura na pwede mong, ay, tapon mo na yan. Wala nang pakinabang yan. Something like that. No? Hindi ganyan ang trato ng Panginoon sa atin. In the two readings today, I think, they made it clear kung ano ang ginagawa ng Diyos sa atin. Yes, we make mistakes, failures, and sins. Pero may attitude ang Panginoon to recycle us, to reshape us, to repair us. Ayan. Kung minsan tayo nag-give up, no? Diba? Yung pagkaganyan. O kaya we have a commitment na, ay, mag-jogging ko. Parang ay may sira. Ayan na ako mag-jogging. O kaya yung new diet. We easily give up, you know, para pagkakamali tayo, di ba? We abandon a beautiful commitment or a resolution. Pero ang Diyos hindi ganyan. Because God, in the two readings today, no, He does not, throw away people, okay, like disposable trash. But He usually, no, find ways in which He can reshape, He can repair people. The first reading today, ang ganda ng reading na to, no? I like the reading from the prophet Jeremiah. Because sabi ni, Panginoon sa kay Jeremiah, alright, sabi niya, bumunta ka dun sa potter's house, no? Yung gumagawa ng paso. Then I will give you a message. So I went down, sabi ni Jeremiah, and there he was working at the wheel, yung potters, no? Parang dyan sa Santo Tomas, okay? Whenever the object of clay which he was making turned out badly, nasisira, no? Anong ginagawa ng potter? He tried again. Okay? Ulitin niya. Making of the clay another object of whatever sort he please. In other words, he will reshape. Nasira yung ginagawa niya. Pero hindi niya tatapon yung clay. But sabi dito, i-reshape. Ito sabi ng Panginoon kay Jeremiah, can I not do to you, house of Israel, as this potter has done? Hindi ko pa pwedeng gawin sa iyo yun? Sabi niya, indeed, like a clay in the hand of the potter, so are you in my hand, house of God. Yan din ang ginagawa ng Panginoon. At sabi niya, can I not do to you? Yan ang gagawin ko. Just like that potter's, no, hand reshaping that clay that was broken. Sana ganyan din tayo, di po ba? I think kung may mga past mistakes tayo, no, let us not be ashamed of our past mistakes. Di ba? Because we have a God who allows us, no, to be reshaped by Him. Di ba? Nagkamali ka, kung minsan you lose your temper, you made an error in your job, no? Kumukha dito. Okay? So, anong gawin natin? Apologize. Say sorry. Hindi ba sa mga, cellphone ba yan o computer? May reset button. Di ba? Di, you push that reset button. After apologizing, you reset yourself and you allow God, no? Parang to fix you. No? I suggest that during that moment na nagkamali ka, Lord, no, I am sorry. I am here, allowing myself, no, opening up myself to you. Reset me. Fix me. No, what is broken. Di ba? Kung minsan talagang ganyan. Well, let us continue that, no? That reflection. Going to the gospel today, ito, no, yung the parable of the net thrown into the sea. Ano bang punto nito? Ganun din, no? Just, that's like fishermen, they do not sort out. Para yung sa atin, di ba, segregation. Okay? Hindi nila sinesegregate. As soon as they throw the net, no, they will collect all sorts of fish, good and bad. Okay? Ang kanilang trabaho dito, para sa akin, no, ay to collect all these fish. Okay? And then, ito nga yung parang application ng ating Panginoon dito sa net na ito. It is, okay, the job of God, it is the work of God that He will be the one to judge kung sino yung bad at sino yung good. Diba? At yung, well, sabi nga dito, yung bad, may judgment day, talagang tatapon yan, no? At yung good, of course, at yun ang ating challenge, no, to each and every one of us. To make of us, no, and to live with a good life so that we will become good fish. Yun ang trabaho natin. Paano tayo magiging mabuting mga isda? Okay? Hindi yung magja-judge tayo that they will separate, sabi nga dito, the wicked from the righteous. That is the work of God. That's why we should not judge other people. We should not act like as if we are the jury. Although yung mga senator judges natin, no? They are very impartial, di ba? Sabi nila. Pero very partial sila. Anyway, ito sinasabi ng Panginoon sa ating gospel. Ours is really the effort, no? Determination and the commitment to become good fish. Pero kung minsan, sabi nga sa atin, no? We are a mixture of both. Mayroon tayong, di ba, weaknesses. Ito nga, mayroon tayong brokenness, just like the Father in the first reading today. Pero we have a God who gives us a lot of chances, no? Who, make effort so that He can fix us. Ang importante, no, yung mga brokenness na yan, let us offer them to God. Let us bring them to God. Just like a potter, He will reshape us. No? He will fix us. No? Maybe to end my homily, I was just reading an article, no? Ang ganda nung project diyan sa Payatas. Alam mo yung Payatas, puro basura diyan, di ba? Okay. Ito yung project nila diyan. From tapon to passion. Ha? Ang ganda, di ba? From tapon to passion. Okay. Ang dami mga tapon diyan. Pero sa mga communities pala diyan, yung mga retaso, yung mga scrap na clothing sa mga garment factory. Wow! They make rugs, carpets, di ba? Sa DTI yata o NEDA, yung mga, kung minsan alam niyo yung mga Tetra Pak, o ginagawang mga, ano ba yan? Bags, apparel, di ba? Ang gaganda. Di ba? Kung minsan makikita mo rin yung mga design ng mga mga plastic na sa soft drinks. These are trash. Pero tingnan mo naman, no? Pwede mo palang, no? From that trash, something good will come out. Ngayon, tingnan niyo yung mga sinusuot ng mga jeans, di ba? Puro butas-butas. Pero mahal sila. Mahal yung mga jeans na butas-butas ngayon, di ba? Yung butas na yan, tingnan nyo, you can convert that into a good design. You see what I'm saying? Yan ang Diyos. Hindi tayo tinatapon ng Diyos. No? But there will be judgment in the end. Pero ang daming binibigay sa atin na mga pagkakataon to make, no, a resetting of our life. Kaya nga siguro sabihin natin ngayon, our prayer will be, Lord, can you help me fix this broken part of my life? Hindi naman tayo talagang totally broken. Because God always see the potential in our lives. We are valuable in the eyes of God. Kailangan kung minsan may punti tayo, may konting, di ba, sira tayo dyan. Pero God, if we allow Him, can fix it. And on our part, let us help Him. And I think this is our commitment to Him. To make that one humble step, no, to fix that broken part in our life, and then we allow the Lord to reshape our life. Amen.